process. A success. Tell me, put your mic on.
Thank you, sir.
How are you, my champion? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Success is also driving today. Show us your license. Show us your license. We all are looking forward to look at it.
Wait,
for you
already.
Wait,
for you already.
Wait,
I
hold
sent
on.
it to you.
The picture.
Yes.
Yeah, but they don't believe you that you got a license. They want to.
Okay, 1 minute, please.
It doesn't matter. No? Imagine success also. She's a mother of kids, and she also has a responsibility. It gives me immense joy. Those people who never thought they could ever do it, had given up the idea also. Now that they show me, here's the license, it means a big thing. I know it's some things money cannot buy. Hey, success, come closer. Congratulations, bravissima. We believe you now. How do you feel, success?
I'm so happy, and it was easy.
You very...
Me, I'm the person that always scared, but since I know you, you help me to conquer my fear. You help me a lot to conquer my fear. Sometimes I've not even seen something, I'll be thinking negative, I'll be scared. But since I know you, you help me a lot. All the words that you are saying, you are not just a teacher, you are just a hero that we need to follow your step closely. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. I was so relaxed. Even the mom was, my instructor was looking at me. Is that you? I just relaxed. When they say va destra, va sinistra, farela esse, I do everything tranquilo, without no fear. I was so relaxed. I didn't even believe myself that I could be able to do it. Wow, thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
We're all very happy. I totally, you sip your mind. And also Idris says somebody who also passed. I don't know if he's there or not. Success. Very, very happy. I'm waiting for a lovely video. I want in the pidgin English. Okay. I want it.
Perfect. I will do that.
Yes. Yesterday I was listening some pidgin English to learn some. Thank you, Success. You made us all very happy.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye. Take care.